A Gospel reading from the book of Matthew 7 verse 15 to 20. Jesus said to his disciples, "Beware of false prophets. They come to you looking like sheep on the outside, but on the inside they are really like wild wolves. You will know them by what they do. Thorn bushes do not bear grapes, and the briars do not bear figs. A healthy tree bears good fruit, but a poor tree bears bad fruit. A healthy tree cannot bear bad fruit, and a poor tree cannot bear good fruit. And any tree that does not bear good fruit is cut down and thrown in the fire. So then you will know the false prophets by what they do." Gospel Reflection. So mag-ingat ho tayo sa mga taong ang tingin sa sarili nila ay Diyos o gumagamit sa pangalan ng Panginoon para sa pansariling interes. Bagaman sila ay nagkukunwari mabuti, ngunit masama ang budhi at puso. Huwag po tayong mapanlinlang at basahin mabuti ang kasulatan ng may kabutihang loob at isapuso natin ang mga salita ng Diyos araw-araw.